you, Papa?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Do you remember me?
Huh?
Do you remember me?
You were talking to me just now?
I wasn't talking to you.
Oh,
I
you're on
called
the
you.
phone, huh? Yeah.
You from India? You from India?
Huh? My mother.
Your mother?
My father is Belizean, though.
You don't remember me?
My mother is from India, though.
Relax, let me
See
talk.
now?
You're a prophet.
Take care.
Come. I want to give you money.
I
Come.
got to fetch the bus.
I want to give you money. Come here. I'll drop you. Come.
Hey, I got to hurry because I got to get the bus because I'm going down.
I said I will give you money. Don't you remember me? You met me on Slauson sometime in October last year. You met me on Slauson and Vermont at the AT&T in the morning.
Yeah.
You gave me a prophecy. Was that not you?
I guess so. Yeah, I try to help a lot of
Do
people,
you,
you know.
Leila, do you give people prophecy?
Yeah, I do.
You met me.
I'm not driving because I just had surgery on my head. I had aneurysm, so I can't
I've been
drive.
looking for you. Listen to me. What do you need? Tell me I did for you. You met me last year on Slauson. You met me last year on Slauson and Vermont. You told me I'm a good person, but people are taking advantage of me. And you told me I was born in June.
Yeah, pass it
Your
on.
video is on my YouTube.
Pass it
You
on.
met me on Slauson and
I
Vermont.
help you, you help somebody else.
No, I want to help you, not somebody else.
No, I'm good.
What do you need? Money or shoe or clothes or
I'm
food?
Good. I'm good.
Can you give me your number?
Give me another time.
Can you give me your number?
Huh?
Can you give me your number? I need your number.
661.
1 second. I've been looking for you like forever. Write a number here.
Oh, okay.
You don't know what
I'm
you
not
don't
driving
you
right
don't
now.
know what you did for
I'm
me.
riding the bus.
Where are you going to?
Yeah, pass it on, man.
What size of shoe do you wear? I never believed in prophecy till I met you. I mean, you told me I'm having financial challenge, and you told me I used to be rich, and you told me I was into medical profession, and you told me people are taking advantage of me.
My name is Gilbert, but everybody call me Gilly.
Is this your number?
Yeah, that's my number.
Do you have your phone with you? Do you have your phone with you? Do you
No, I
have a
forget
phone?
my phone this morning. I didn't charge it last night, so I'm not carrying my phone, but that's my number.
Do you want to eat?
I live right down here
Can
by
I
the
buy you
police
food?
station.
Where do you live?
Huh? By the police station.
Houghton Police or Ghana Police?
Huh?
Which of the police station? Houghton?
Right here on El Segundo.
El
I gotta
Seg-
go because I got to catch a bus, you know, and it's 3:30, see?
If I call you
talk
on
to you
if I
another
call you
time.
on the phone, are you gonna answer?
Huh?
If I call you, would you answer?
Call me in an hour, see if I answer, because I'll be home by then.
I'm,
But that's my number.
I'm coming to see you for real, for real. This is not entertainment. I've been looking for this man for almost 8 months. Do you see a true-time psychic? Do you see a true-time psychic? I offered him money. He said no.